Earthlings, so today I will unbox this stuff I got from Human Nature. So Human Nature has this new thing on their website that you can order a gift for your friends, colleagues, or anyone you want to send a gift to, even if you don't know their addresses. Human Nature will do the rest for you. They will ship the gift for you through their shop and ship thing. So let's see what I got from Human Nature. And then let's open it. Ooh. This is better than bubble wraps, in my opinion. Aha! I got Bayani Brew. Yes, you can buy Bayani Brew at Human Nature. Ayan. Bayani Brew. You know Bayani Brew? And then I got this thing. This is a shampoo bar. Guys, have you tried a shampoo bar? Yeah. Shampoo bar. Yeah, no more bottles. No more bottles. And a Sunflower Lip Miracle. Sunflower Lip Miracle. Kiss my lips. This is a precious herbal eye patch. I need this because always puyat. I can smell it from here. There. It's there's also I also have the full patch. So there. Put it on your eyes and go to sleep. Oh my god, I'm gonna sleep now. This will make me fall asleep fast. Oh my god, the smell is so relaxing. And of course, my favorite thing. Of course, I like essential oils, of course, to diffuse, to relax, to make the house smell good, and always fresh and sanitized. Ganyan. Ayan. I like, my favorites are this, baliktad, peppermint oil and tea tree oil. Ayan. Ayan ang favorite ko, peppermint oil and tea tree oil. Sobrang like ko ang peppermint oil. It smells like Christmas. Sweet. But this is also good to rid of langgam. Like I have my previous vlog about these oils, essential oils, and their uses. I'll put the link. I'll put the link below so you can see my essential oil stuff. Tea tree oil. This is good for sanitizing. So perfect. Bango. Ayan. So that's it. Oh, this is so nice. This is a gift from the heart. And have you ever tried a shampoo bar before? So no more boxes, no more bottles to throw away. Just shampoo and go. There, it's so cool, diba? Environment friendly. That's what I love about human nature. They're pro-environment, pro-poor, and pro-Philippines because all their products are sourced locally. So that's amazing. And they also help all their employees. They did not lay off anyone. They do not lay off. So then this is the Sunflower Lip Miracle to cure the lips na kahit na hindi tayo lumalabas. Ayan. Kailangan alagaan ang ating sarili. Ayan. So there you go. Again, like I said, if you want to purchase all these human nature products, I will put the link below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will show you more amazing stuff. Okay? That's all. Thank you and have a good day. Good night.